Hello guys, welcome. Today we will learn how to design that in Fusion 360 with render feature. First of all, select the sketch and click on the top view. Now, draw two circles of diameter 16 mm for pitch circle and 24 mm for head. Finish the sketch. Extrude area between circles for 10 mm. Click OK. For hexagonal head, we have to create the hexagonal on top surface. Click on top view. Now select the point on top of circle and give length of 12 mm, half of circle diameter. Select other point of line on circle. Do same for each 6 lines. Starting point will be end point of last line. Give length of 12 mm. And select other point on circle. Finish the sketch. Now, select the area between arc and line. For all side of hexagonal, create extrude cut for 10 mm. Click OK. Select all the sharp edges of head. Give the fillet value 1 mm. Press OK. Now, go to Create and select the thread feature. Select the inner surface. Click on Module checkbox, and click OK. Now select the one side of circle and go to Sketch. Select the texts. Enter text as M1610mm. Give height 3 mm. Adjust the sketch. Select text and make extruded cut for 10 mm. Now go to top left of window. Select the render. From setup you can select the material of nut. Different type of material are given here. You can simply drag on model to apply. From appearance you can paint or give appearance to model body or face. In Canvas Render you can render the model. Click on play. It will start rendering. You can render it in Excellent, Final or Infinite. It will take some time for iteration. After completion click on Pause. By Capture Image you can store image in device or cloud. As per your required format select any one. Click OK. Write file name, select file extension and other settings. Click on Save, or directly render from render setting. Select your format. And click on Render. M1610mm nut is ready with render. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.